Hi fam, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, this is Grace, and today I'm going to be doing the unboxing of this fridge I have at my back. You guys, I'll be showing you properly. It's a high fridge. Yeah, it's a Samsung Bespoke refrigerator with the A-High family hub. So I love it. I really love it, you guys, and I'll be doing the unboxing with you guys now. So you can open it from this slide, you guys. You see it's opened. Yeah, so you can just put your hand and it will use the fingerprint to open. You guys are seeing that. Yeah, so that's it. Yeah, so it comes this way, and it has the water dispenser here that you can dispense your ice. Yeah, you guys can see that. And it has this opening here. Are you guys seeing that? This is the compartment inside, which I'll be unboxing, and it has 1, 2, 3. This is the fridge, the first set. So as you guys can see that, and it has the feature of the screen that you can watch your YouTube and some other things there. You can see your pictures here, control that from your phone, and you can put a password. Yeah, so, and this is the down part. You guys are seeing that. Can you see? You can also open here. You can see that. You can open that here, and it came with this compartment too. This is the first side. It has 2 sides, as you guys can see that. So this is the first one, the second layer, the third one, and the second part also. It has all this compartment in there. It has various compartments. Let's start opening it. This is it, you guys. It's really beautiful. So you guys can see that. So it has something. It has some parts, you guys, like a screw pad that you can use to something. You guys can see, maybe ice or whatever. Maybe when you put ice there, you guys can see that. So it has some other parts which I don't really know what is for. I will be figuring that out. You guys can see that. So some ice. He's already having some ice. So this other part is just like that too. Let me open it for you guys to see. And the sound is from the screen. I really love it. You can be in your kitchen and listening to it gave me the notification that door open, so I'll just click. Okay, so this is the other part, you guys. I'll just what I'm talking about, and just like that. And this other part too, I hope you guys can see that. It's like this. That's different features which I will figure out very soon. The down parts that you can put your stuff, meat. So it's giving me the notification that the door is open. It has fridge manager, you can see that. Okay, so that's it, you guys. Different things, features in that refrigerator. And this other down part too, you can put your things, and it has all these compartments. Let me try to open it. So you guys can see it has this compartment. I'm doing video. Go. So this is the first tire. Should I call it tire or layer? So this is it, you guys. yeah, the fridge part. And let's see what this is. Yes, can you see that? I hope you can see that. It has a water filter, you guys can see. Yeah, so it comes this way. It's very big. This is the other side of it. You guys can see that. So that's how wide it is. Guys, don't forget to like, comment, and also share with other people. Thank you for stopping by, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.